Halle Berry.
Hello,
How are you
good
this
morning. I'm
morning?
fine, I'm doing fine.
You're doing great. That's
Yes.
awesome. Any relation to Halle Berry in Hollywood?
No, no, no. I guess this is like more like the knockoff.
The knockoff.
Yeah, the
You're very
knockoff.
original, man. You're very original.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So we're on your farm this morning, and we are in the parish of Manchester in
Yes.
Craighead,
Craighead Carter.
Carter.
Carter
Oh,
District.
Carter District.
Yes.
All right. Awesome. So I know you have a number of things that you have planted, and you're going to give us a tour. But tell us some of the things that you have planted on your farm.
Okay, for the moment I have Irish potato. I have a little sweet pepper down the bottom there and
Yes.
a little cabbage. Why I say a little is because, you know, I'm just redoing everything because basically from about April we have a terrible drought and most of the things that I planted got
Yes.
affected by
Oh,
that drought.
right.
So you know, we don't really, I don't really get anything from that.
Oh, so you'd have
Then
lost those crops.
yes, I've lost those
Oh
crops,
my.
and then go back again, redo it again, all over again.
Yes.
Then you know, we had this lots of rain.
Oh
We
wow.
had a lot of rain, so come back again. That's another problem. You
Yes.
plant it, but there, you know, you have to have like rain and sunlight in
Yes.
order for your things to mature, come to
Right.
maturity, right? So there was too much rain, so you find most of the things you plant, they didn't really come because like for the cabbages, they start rot.
Yes.
Irish potato is the same thing, and list goes on. The carrots, they do hatch, but it didn't come to our reaping and so forth,
Okay,
you
so
know.
in one instance you have too little water, and in another instance you have too much water.
Yes,
Okay.
and basically, it's not like, I don't know if you know the difference between red dirt and loam.
I think you're going to tell me.
Yes, okay, all right.
Yes.
Basically, when they said the red dirt, when you planted things on the red dirt, the most thing that it doesn't affected by water.
Yes.
The dry mostly affected, but not the water. So this dirt now, when you plant things on it, like for instance, I have the Irish, and I plant it, you know, if it constantly get too much rain, the dirt holds the
The
water.
water.
So underneath it, the you know that the yield doesn't produces when time
You have
there's
too
too
much.
much water. And if you
Right.
notice, this is how the land is when I have the
So it
there's
breaks away.
yes.
So it was the drain that was here originally.
You
Was
know, honestly, to
you,
tell you that that wall that they build up there,
yes.
I've been affected by it ever since that wall built and started to tear. Because I
Oh.
have been here for years doing my thing, and from the moment they build the wall and I start getting the rain,
Yes. It
that's
affects your crop.
yes, that's when I started to get affected. And
Also, is it that the water start to come down more in your
heavier,
farm?
heavier,
Oh.
heavier,
Oh
because
my.
it seems like the water is leading from, there's a culvert hole
Yes.
right up there.
Because that wall currently, when we saw it, it's broken down.
Right,
Right.
right, right. And you realize it keep pushing back to
Yes, it's
me.
coming to this
Right,
side.
it keep pushing back to me.
Oh boy,
So,
so that's terrible. That
right,
affected you negatively.
right,
Right.
right, right, right.
Right.
So, you know, everything I put in, I just have to
You're redoing
start
it, you say?
redoing it. Okay, I just, the cabbages that you pass over on the
On the
other side,
right.
I recently pulled it somewhere from up there.
Yes.
That was a nursery. I recently pulled it and planted it. Over there is another nursery. That's another cabbage nursery.
Yes.
Yes, the land that I'm preparing over there is to put the cabbage.
Okay,
Right,
okay.
the cabbage suckers. Because as I said, I'm redoing.
Yes. So you'd
I'm
have
redoing.
lost pretty much everything at
Yes,
first.
yes, yes,
So you're
yes.
doing it over. Oh
Yes,
my word. So tell me what motivates you to do it again, because farming is hard already and you'd have planted and waited for some time and then now you lose the crop and then you have to redo it. What motivates you to continue to want to do this?
all right. First, I must say, I'm a person that doesn't really give up that
Right.
easily. I
Yes.
am basically a fighter. I have been fighting from, oh, I was like this because I
Yes.
grew up with my grandmother who passed on a couple of years ago. And I don't know, I have this thing for farming from day one. I used to go with her to pick coffee, rub pimentos, help her bake bammies and stuff. Me and
Wow.
my cousin,
Yes.
we're normally at her foot, helping her
Yes.
doing all these things. So it was in me for a very long time until, you know, I've lost my baby father. Yeah, I have two beautiful girls. One is
Yeah.
now at Michael University.
Wow.
And from I lost him, then I realized that I am now the mother and the father.
Okay.
So, you know, some of us, it's not that I say we don't have that qualification can reach like in the bank or whatever, you know, but this is where we are. And I just said to myself, you know, I cannot be sending myself to school because I do practical nursing. As I am here and I'm like I'm
You're
all purpose.
multitasking.
Yeah, I do
Yes.
here, I do braids and
Yes.
stuff like that, but
Right.
I just rather to do my farming,
Yes.
you know. So I said I have my two girls. I cannot be able to send them to school and send myself to school. Where would I get it from?
Yes.
You know, so I said, okay, you know, we have this already, the dirt. So I'm going to make use of the dirt.
Yes.
So I started, not on this farm, there's a next farm that I plant some yams, mostly yams I plant around there. I started out with 200 hill of yams. And from there, I say, you know, I want the grow. I get a nice bearing, so I said, you know, I want it
Yes.
bigger, come I want more, you know.
Right.
And that kind of motivated me until there's my landlord, whom I have a business, a shop and a bar. He said, you know, I have I'm not going to be here, and the land is down there not using.
Yes.
So he said, I can use it, go and do what I want to do on it and so.
Yes.
So I
Wonderful.
came and I started. I started out with carrots. I used to plant a lot of carrots here, get good,
You.
yes, from it and stuff like that. So after which there's a friend that inspired me and said, he calls me Ali because they call me Carlene, Ali Berry,
Halle
Ali
Berry.
Berry.
Yes.
Yeah, they goes, you know. So
Yes.
anyone them come with, that's me. So he
Right.
says, Ali, why don't you try some cabbage? So
Yes, 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 it's here again when Colin Gager presents an annual fun day at the championship on New Year's Day, Sunday, January 1, 2023, at the Troy Community Center in Trelawney. There will be football and the cricket competitions, music by the Big Bad Black Hustler and the Interceptor, the Renegade Sound, a bounce about for the kids, food and refreshment on sale. There will be prizes and surprises. It's the place to be on New Year's Day, January 1, 2023 at the Troy Community Center in Trelawney. Remember, music by the Big Bad Black Hustler and the Interceptor, the Renegade Sound. So bring out the family and come have some fun. Don't you dare miss it. See you there.
I said, no. My grandmother used to plant it. I mean, I know she take care of it, you know,
Right.
because they're back in the days, I don't know
Yes.
where them use on it. And what I heard that it used to easy to, like the bats and stuff like that,
Oh,
worm up.
spoil
And, yeah, so I
easily.
said,
Yes.
I'm not going to do it.
Right,
So,
because it sounded like a lot of work.
yes, until at one point I said, you know, I'm going to try it because I like to take up task.
Right.
Whatever task I can challenge, I
Yes.
am the person that like to challenge any task that
Yes.
comes to me.
You
I
don't
don't
back
back
down
down,
from
no.
anything.
No, no, I don't back
Nice.
down.
Yes.
You know, once it's profitable.
Right.
So I started out with a 2,000 packs of Tropicana. Well, when I do it, the first, like this bed,
Yes.
the first bed I do, somebody assisted me with it, so it come out a bit perfect. So
Yes.
when I go back again,
Yes.
oh my God, it was terrible.
Oh, it didn't work out.
No, it didn't work out.
So when you went back the second time, you never had the assistant that you had before. It was you.
No, no, I did not have that assistant anymore.
Oh.
It was just me. But
Yes.
then I said, you know, I'm still not going to give up because I realized the first time I planted, it was, even though it has a lot of worms and stuff like that,
Yes.
they were nice. They comes out very nice, you know, big, healthy, and I said I want to
Yes.
see more of that. I
Right.
want to see more of that. So I buy more. I don't buy 2,000 this time. I buy 4,000.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I buy 4,000 and I set it. And when I set it, I start going around and I ask a lot of questions because it's like I'm the type of person, I don't understand something, I'm going to ask you.
Yes.
You know, I'm going to
Yes.
ask you. So I go around and
Very
I ask a
nice.
lot of questions how to go about dealing with the cabbages. I got different opinions from persons and stuff like that. I tried and I tried until I realized that yes, I
Yes.
finally have it. You know,
Yes.
finally. So then right there, I just start doing it on a wide scale.
Yes.
Because
And it
most of what
worked
you're
out for
seeing
you.
here now, when it's not
Yes.
Irish potato time, I have cabbage and carrots.
Oh,
When
wow.
it's not Irish potato time, I normally have all of here in cabbages and
Yes.
carrots, you know.
Yes.
But you know, when
Wonderful.
Irish come, I don't left out my Irish. I always
Yes.
ensure that I prepare my land for my Irish
Right.
potato.
And the farm is looking wonderful.
Yes. So basically, what you're seeing here now is the this it as you notice, it's just mold. So
Yes.
it's on its third spraying right now. You might have some of them that got a little bit blight. It's because of the molding. When they're
Oh.
molding, because you know they can't
Yes.
take any pressure. So when
Right.
they're molding, you might knock. You might knock the
Okay.
root, you
Yes.
know, and that's the way. But
But it
as
comes back up.
yeah, but
Okay.
as long as it don't break off, you know, you can still, you will dig it and you still find Irish potato in it.
Okay.
So what you're seeing, the drill, those are
Yes.
recently planted.
So all of those are Irish potato.
Yes, they are
Okay.
recently planted.
Yes.
Back over there, right over to the corner there,
Right.
those will be taking up mountain. So I
Okay.
planted them in sections, and to let you know, this is all fall seed. Remember I told you that I lost the crop in April with the
Right.
drought?
Yes.
I got,
Yes.
the good thing about it, I got the seeds in which this is
The
it you are
seeds, so you
looking at.
didn't have to repurchase it.
No, no,
Okay.
no.
So that's the good thing about
That's
that
the good thing
part.
about, yes, yes. It's just after planting out, I have some lands leave, so I have to go and buy some big seed to,
Okay.
you
To do
know.
the fresher part of land.
Right, right,
Okay.
right,
Okay.
right.
Well, and I see you carrying water this morning.
Oh yes,
Yes.
was carrying
Oh,
little water
so where
to spray.
pray. So where you get the water from, Ali?
Okay, all right. Let
See me,
me
I call you
take
Halle
you.
now. Now Halle Perry again, you know.
All right. Let I take you. And this is my
This is your
yam ground.
yam.
Right. It goes back
Nice.
up. This is
Wonderful,
my
man.
yam. You know, look at planting. All
Yes.
right. This is another cabbage nursery.
Okay.
This is another. These are ready for planting. Yes, these are ready for planting. So
Yeah.
that's how I just
You just do
set them.
them
And
the
the
breakaway.
breakaway, yes, it was a nice piece of land
Oh
here.
my.
And this is what I'm telling you about, because this was a piece of land where I put a nursery and it just break, wash.
Oh.
Right, so
So every time that happens, you lose your crop.
I constantly
Oh my
losing,
God.
constantly losing.
And yet still you continue to go on
Yes,
because you're a
right.
fighter and you don't give
No,
up.
I don't give up. Okay,
Yes.
you might see this is the little sweet pepper I have out of what left. This
Okay.
is what save. I don't know if it's because it's on the top or I don't know, but this is what left.
So your sweet pepper, Halle, was affected also by the tear away of the land?
Yes, yes. You
Oh.
can come and see.
All right. Oh my.
Can come see. Your plant even some
Oh
of
my
them
word.
break off and
Yeah.
gone.
Oh no.
Yeah. So everything after
The
it.
struggle is
This
real.
is just what left of it. Cause I planted from out there, go right back to the cabbage, go back
Yeah.
down to that tree, the
Wow, you would
mango
have lost
tree.
a lot.
Yes.
So everything that was in the middle, all of the sweet pepper that was in this part,
Gone.
gone.
Gone. Gone.
Oh
And
my.
it even it comes further in as
Yeah.
well.
And you would have had
Was
a lot of peppers by now,
yes,
because
and
if
they
you
are very
notice,
nice, you know.
yes,
See?
yes.
They're very nice.
See a nice one there too?
Nice,
Wow.
nice. And I tell you, it's a lot of work and a lot of money spending. I can
Yes.
tell you,
Oh my God.
it's not
How do you
easy.
manage that part in terms of the finances,
Well,
to maintain the farm?
to tell you the truth, sometimes myself, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really, to tell you the truth, I don't know. Because as I said to you, I'm not that person that easily give up.
Right.
You know, so
So,
even when I fail, I just go back and try again. Sometimes I end up broke myself
oh
just to
my.
get it
Yes.
back on the ground.
Oh my God. You're a
Yeah,
fighter
this
for
is here, see,
real.
see, this is what left.
Oh.
I can see probably just one left from here.
Oh
The
wow.
rest of them, I don't know, they're just gone.
So is it safe to say then that, even though you have some crops left here, there's uncertainty because it's a possibility that some other part could break away next week?
Yes,
God
yes,
forbid.
yes, 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 it does.
Oh my.
Yes, that's so much true. But
Wow.
as I said, I don't, I just continue. I
Yes.
just continue because I have a passion for this.
Right. I can
You
see
know, I have a
that.
passion. When I love to put on my clothes and go on the street looking very nice, spending
Yes.
my own money. So, you know,
You work
I just
hard, you
have
put
to
in the
do,
work.
yes. And I have two beautiful girls who depends on me. So,
Yes, you have to do what you have to do.
yeah.
Right.
Okay. This is some little cabbage that was left in one of the nursery. Some little find something. I'm surprised to see them even come out. They
Oh.
want to come out of the grass now,
Yes.
but you know,
So so these are
time.
supposed to be transplanted?
No, no.
Which one
This
want to come out of the ground? Oh,
no.
you mean to weed it?
Yeah, it want to weed.
Okay,
But
okay.
I had the nursery I'm telling you about that I lost.
Mm-hmm.
When I go back, I find some little tiny something. So I
Right.
said, okay, I'm going to plant them, and this is
This
the
is
result.
it.
They are nice, you
Wow.
know.
Yes, they're
See?
looking beautiful.
Yeah, they are nice.
Yeah.
So this is just what left of it.
So you're hoping to move the cabbage eventually to the
Yes,
top
yes, yes.
there.
That's why I'm not going to plant anymore
Right.
here at the moment.
Yes. And
You
so
know?
maybe because that portion of land is on a hill, you won't have that breaking away problem of
Right,
that
and
side.
see, there's another
Oh
cabbage
my.
plant over there as
Oh
well,
my
and
word. It's a
yeah,
lot of them.
and right out there,
Oh
there's a big.
Jesus.
That's how it goes.
This is not nice. Oh
So I'm
no.
just preparing the land from top, come down. I'm going to clean up all of it and get back on the ground again. But
Yes. So you find the land tearing away mostly when you have the heavy rains?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Mostly when I have the heavy rains. When I have a good season, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay, but I kind of get used to it because, it's just that I can't stop do what I'm doing.
Yes.
I know that it's coming, but I cannot stop doing what I'm doing.
Yes.
I have to just keep on doing it anyways.
Yes, I
I won't
understand.
take you down there because, you know, it's very grass. It needs cleaning up. I'm going
Okay.
to start doing that shortly,
Yes.
probably
So a
next week.
solution to the problem you're having down here could be what? You would have to change
Well,
location?
I know. Based on what I've heard, they are saying that probably the parish council has to come and build something called a trench or something,
Oh.
like probably a culvert that
Yes.
just take the water, control the water
Right.
that just take
All
it
the way
all the
down
way
and not spread
instead
it
of spreading.
across on the property
Right,
and breaking away different
right.
sections.
That's what I've heard. And, you know, they call
Yes.
them several times and
No
just that,
response.
you know, that's why I'm just saying, I tell you,
Yeah.
I tell you.
You're a hard worker though, Halle.
Yes, I am. That's
And
what
you're
I
operating
just,
the business. Is it a shop and a bar?
yes, it's a shop and a bar. It's
Yes.
a
But you
shop
did
and,
explain to me earlier that despite the fact that you have the shop and the bar, you don't like staying there. You put somebody in there because you want to be on the farm.
yes, I want to be on the
That's
farm.
amazing because a lot of ladies would rather be in the shop than on the farm.
Yes, I want to be on the farm. I love being on my farm to
Yes.
see what is happening. I love to see the beauty of it. You
Yes.
know, when I put in something and it come up and I
Yes.
like it.
It's a feeling you get.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Nice. Wow. Oh, there are other pigs in here?
Yeah, one big one.
Oh. So Halle, tell me about labor now. In terms of getting persons to work for you, how difficult or how easy is that?
Well, it's not really difficult because I have family member, my cousin, my uncle, and other persons. It's not really difficult for me.
Okay, okay,
This is for cleaning up as well.
okay.
Yeah, it's not really difficult because, you know, and depends on, you have some persons that, you know, them dig yam hill.
Yes.
They don't understand to plant potato. They don't understand to cut potato drills. So each time I have a particular work doing, I just know who to get.
call for
Right,
that work.
For that work.
Right, okay.
So it's not really difficult for me.
Okay, and you understand how to do that because
Yes,
you've been in it for a while.
Yes.
How many years you say you've been doing farming?
About 10 years now.
About 10 years?
Yes.
That's a long
Because my
time.
baby father died about 12 going 13 years now.
Oh my. Our
Yes.
condolences.
Yes.
Wow. And you have been raising your two children on your own.
Yes, I have.
Wow, that's very admirable. And you work hard.
I do.
Yeah.
Sometimes I wonder if I work too hard.
But you look like a hot girl, don't you know, Halle? I used to the name to go with the hot girl face, but you don't mind getting into the farm and getting your hands dirty at all.
No. I don't mind. None
Wow.
at all. None
Yes.
at all. Okay. This
yes.
is my little spring
Spring.
where I get my
Water.
water from. This is where I get my water from.
And
to
this spring
sustain
don't
the
run out of
farm.
water no time.
No.
Nice. So you always have water.
Always have
Right.
water.
And because you do those type of crops, so the water is important for you.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I see a while ago, so you come and fill up the bucket, put it on your head and carry it
Okay.
around there. So,
Yes,
so how many
yes.
more buckets you'll need to carry, or that's it for now?
That's it. Because
Oh.
normally what I do when I'm spraying, I normally count how many pumps of water I use to spray the crops. So,
Okay.
like for the Irish potato, if my first spraying I use at least 3 buckets of water,
Yes.
then I know that my second would be 4
Okay.
or 3.5 because they grow.
Yes.
So each time they grow, they becomes bigger. So they
Yes.
take more spraying.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
I
they
see.
take more spraying. So every time you just have to add a bucket of water, one
Okay.
more bucket of water
All
to
right.
it.
Okay.
Yes, until I think by the time it reaches 6 spraying or so,
Yes.
you don't need that excess of water anymore.
Okay.
Because what you do, you just turn out the pump and just sprinkle it, flash it all over.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
And The hand pump is very hard. I must tell you, don't think it's not easy to
Yes.
use. It's very hard. But
Wow. I can
being as
imagine.
I don't have an engine pump at the moment, because the engine
Oh.
pump is
Faster.
faster. You just turn
Oh.
it, and in the space of probably
Yes.
20 minutes or so, you
Yes.
can spray the whole entire farm.
Wow. So if you were to get an engine pump, that would be wonderful for you.
Yes, that would be good. That
Yes.
would be. But for now, I just have to, whenever I'm spraying, sometimes I just do it by myself, take a day and do it by myself. Sometimes I just would get help.
Yes.
Sometimes I get help. So that person has a pump and I have one as well. Okay, as you can see, this is my farm, Carleen, aka Halle. I'm just asking if anyone out there would like to assist me with an engine pump. I will be highly appreciated, because you know, farming is what I do best. I love my farming, and sometimes I just rather to come and do a little things by myself, you
Yes.
know. It's
Yes.
not, because sometimes it's hard to call people to do things all the time,
Everything.
and you have to
Yes.
pay. You
Yes.
have to pay, you know. So sometimes I'm kind of free, so I
Yes.
just like now today I came down and said I'm going to do my little spraying by myself, you know.
Right.
But it's not really easy. It's not really easy, because you know, when you have to walk with this, and it,
Yes.
the
It's hard
hand,
work.
when you have to use your hand, it is very hard. So the engine pump would let you go a bit faster and
Faster.
easier, you
Yes.
know. So say for instance, I used to mix a drum of chemical. It comes down, when it comes to the engine pump, it comes down to about half.
Oh.
So it takes less water, less chemical to use and stuff like that.
And less
So
strenuous on the arms
and
and so on.
right.
Yes.
So I'm asking, please, pretty please, if anyone out there can assist me with an engine pump,
Yes.
I would highly appreciate it.
Well said,
Thank
Halle.
you.
Well said. So, dear viewers and subscribers, if you can assist Halle, please make the effort to assist her. You see the hard work that she's doing, and she's a female. I'm inspired by you, Halle. Honestly,
Thank
I'm
you.
standing down here and I'm looking all the way to the top. And you know, when you talk about the pump, you know, having to use the pump and the strain on the arms and so on,
Yes,
I'm thinking,
yes.
you know, going up that hill with that heavy thing on your back and having
Right.
to pump. So guys, if you can help Halle, please do so. As she
Yes.
said, any help she receive will be greatly appreciated. All
Yes.
right?
Thank you.
Okay, you're
Okay.
most welcome.
All
All
right.
right, talk to me about the lettuce that you say you were trying out, because you're trying it for the first time.
Okay, that lettuce story is just like I went to the farm store and was purchasing some cabbage seed. And
Right.
you know, when it comes to farming and I heard persons talking, I always try to butt in, because
Right.
I like, say for instance, they're talking about cabbage and what they use to spray it. I just like to stand and listen. So
Yes.
when I was purchasing the cabbage seed, it's like this gentleman said to me, why you don't try some lettuce? I said, huh? Lettuce?
Yes.
I don't know anything about lettuce. He said,
Right.
try some lettuce, man. Buy like 2 ounces of lettuce and try it and stuff like that. So I
Okay.
said, okay, all right. Because as I said, I like challenges. So
Yes.
I
So you
said,
tried
right,
some.
I've tried some.
Right.
Yes, it's here again when Colin Gager presents an annual fun day and the championship on New Year's Day, Sunday, January 1, 2023, at the Troy Community Center in Trelawney. There will be football and the cricket competitions, music by the Big Bad Black Hustler and the Interceptor, the Renegade Sound, bounce about for the kids, food and refreshment on sale. There will be prizes and surprises. It's the place to be on New Year's Day, January 1, 2023, at the Troy Community Center in Trelawney. Remember, music by the Big Bad Black Hustler and the Interceptor, the Renegade Sound. So bring out the family and come have some fun. Don't you dare miss it. See you there.
Right, so this is the lettuce that I come and I
Right.
They said plant it just like you plant cabbage. So I figured, okay,
Yes.
I'm going to fart the land and put in the drills and drop the lettuce in the drill. But
Yes.
I don't know, seems like I did something wrong.
Oh.
I'm not sure
Yes.
because I realized that the rain comes, we got a heavy rain, and if you notice, the drill,
Oh,
the drill
cover it.
covered,
Oh,
you
I
know, so it seems
see.
like the water just wash
Yeah.
down
Uh-huh.
in the drill and just cover them. So
Okay.
if anyone has a better idea
Yes.
of how should go about planting this lettuce, I would be appreciated if they could just let me
Right.
know how to
Wonderful.
do it.
Yes. So you're making a
Because
call out.
I think it's another task that I am going to take up.
Okay. All
Yes.
right. So anybody who knows how
Because
to
I
plant
really
the
love lettuce as well.
yeah.
Lettuce is something that I really, really love. So,
So you're saying any advice, so any of our viewers and subscribers out there who you have the expertise on how to plant the lettuce,
yes.
you can give Halle a call or you can give us a call and give us the information,
Right.
and we'll pass it on to
Right.
you.
So I can have a properly lettuce nursery.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
All right. So I do hope those will come to
Yes,
something
I think
though.
so. I
And
think so.
yeah.
I think so because it's visible at the moment. So
Yes.
I think so.
All right. Okay, wonderful. And the rain is coming down.
Yes.
So we don't want to keep Halle in the rain too long.
Okay.
So
And then when the rain is, probably I have to spray after
oh,
the
because you don't
rain
want to
because I
spray in the
cannot spray
rain.
at the time at this
Yes.
time right now because it
Yeah.
will just wash off back.
Yeah. All right, so Halle, it has been a pleasure speaking with you, and thank you
Yes.
so much. It's a pleasure for us as well to be talking to you as a female farmer, and I'm
Yeah.
inspired by you. You work so hard. Oh, we have to
Whoops.
run out of the rain.
Okay, my little house.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Right, so guys, we have to run out of the rain. But like I was saying though, Halle, it's certainly a pleasure to talk to you. And from a female to another
Yeah.
female, I want to say congratulations to you because you don't back down from anything.
No.
You keep going. And I
Yes.
always admire hardworking people, especially females, and
Yes.
especially being on the farm. Because at times people think, you can't do this, but you're proving that you can,
You can,
you
you can,
can.
you can. And to tell all the young girls out there or females out there
Yes.
who tend to say, okay, they look very nice, they can't get their hands dirty and stuff
Yes.
like that. Nothing is wrong with getting your
Yes.
hands dirty because you can get your hands dirty and still look like a princess,
Wonderful.
Still
Yes.
look like that doesn't
Yeah.
stop you
Don't
from
stop you.
being who you want to be.
No,
You
not at all.
understand? None at all. None at
Yes.
all. So, I am doing it. And if I step out, go up and fresh up and put on my nice clothes, and you're going to tell me,
Yes.
say, I don't do farming.
Exactly.
I don't do
Yeah.
farming. Because if I don't tell people, they don't know.
Right.
Right? So, nothing is wrong with doing this.
Yes.
Nothing is wrong.
Absolutely nothing. It's your work just the same. You
just
work
the
for a
same,
living,
just the
and it's
same.
yours.
Right.
Yes, so thank you so much for talking to us. And I know at the beginning you said you were shy, but to me, I don't think you're shy at all. All right, so keep going, keep working hard, and I hope that the challenges that you have with the land will work out somehow.
Yes, I do hope so too.
Yes, and I hope that your wish, your plea to the viewers and subscribers for that engine pump will come true so that you can have it a little bit easier on the farm.
Yes,
All right?
true.
Okay. So guys, once again, thank you so much for joining us and thank you for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. So until we see you next time, blessed love and be safe.